What if I tell you you can do this in Godot 4? Here's how to do it. First, add a node 3D node, rename it to Electric Orb Blue. Now add the GPU particle 3D node as its child. I will call it rings. In the inspector, add a new particle process material. In the draw pass, add a new quad mesh, then click it. Now add the new standard material 3D to it. Select the material. Change the billboard mode to particle billboard. Now in albedo, add the circle 01 sprite. These particle textures are from Kenny's particle pack. It's free. In vertex color, tick the use as albedo option. Set the shading mode to unshaded. Select the alpha option in transparency and blend mode to add. Click the process material. Change the particle amount to 3 particles per second. Change the gravity to 0. We don't need it. Set the scale to 3 and add a new scale curve. Select it and make it a linear curve. Like this. Change the lifetime to 4 seconds. Turn on local codes. Go to colors and pick a color. Rings are appearing and disappearing suddenly. We can fix that. In color ramp, add a new gradient texture 1D. Pick the use HDR option. Select the gradient and make it all white. Now turn the alpha at both ends to 0. Like this. Smooth. Add a new particle system and name it electric beam. Repeat the previous steps of setting the particle system. This time use a different texture. I used Spark 02. Turn off gravity. Who needs it? Tick local codes. Set lifetime to 2 seconds and amount to 50. Make it scale between 1 and 2 randomly. Set the angle random between 1 and 360. I think it needs a scale curve. So here it is. Smooth. Give it some color. And also some gradient. Don't forget to tick the HDR. We should fill that hole. Add a new particle system. Name it core. Set up the particle system. This time let's use the magic 05 texture. Change the gravity to 0. Copy paste the color. Set amount to 15. Add a gradient. It's basically color over lifetime. Add another particle system. Name it particles. It's a unique name. Change the gravity to 0. Make the particles scale between 0.05 and 0.1. Set a random initial velocity between 0.1 and 1.2. Increase the particle amount to 200. Sweet. Make the spread in all direction by setting it to 180. Make them scale over time by setting a scale curve. Like this. These particles need a color. Add a gradient. Smooth. Change the emission shape to a sphere. Perfect. Add a new particle system. And name it electric particles. Use the Spark 04 texture. I like free stuff. I mean, who doesn't, right? Do this. Set the scale random between 1 and 5. Add a curve to scale over time. Like this one. It's repetitive, so randomize it by setting the angle between 1 and 360 degree. Also add a color and a gradient like this. Set the amount to your liking and lifetime to 2 seconds. And you can do this if you want to. Something's missing. It's light. Add an Omnilight 3D to our orb. Change the range to 7 and adjust the this curve to your liking. Copy paste the color. Perfect, maybe. The project link will be in the description on Patreon. By the way, watch this video too.